You know the drill, and for anyone who doesn't, then prepare for a rundown of the finest tech articles from GizChina that you may have missed through the week. And don't worry, I've made sure that each and every article is accompanied by its own direct link conveniently nestled down below in the description. Now, if you haven't already, then it's about time you hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out a lot, and while you're at it, you may as well hit that notification bell too. So without further ado, let's get into it. IQOO's up-and-coming IQOO 12 series is set to impress with striking design visuals revealed in the hands-on photographs. Featuring the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and a dedicated IQOO Q1 gaming chip, the circular camera setup and unique finishes add a flair to the device. So stay tuned for more updates as the November 7th launch approaches. Check out the full article linked down below for more information. Huawei phone users are alarmed as their devices are being flagged by Google Apps as viruses. The notifications being received suggest things as immediate uninstallation. Users are concerned as Huawei phones label the Google app as a Trojan SMS-PA virus, a type of common malware. However, this issue is likely a mistaken identification, especially for older Huawei models. Google faced similar problems with its app protection system in the past, and Huawei is expected to address the issues in the coming months. Read more in the article linked down below for more information and to see if your device has been affected. Xiaomi is evolving its OS from MIUI to HYPEROS. The transition aims to address MIUI's shortcomings such as bloatware, slow updates, intrusive ads, privacy concerns, and hardware optimization. HYPEROS is expected to offer a more streamlined, fluid, and battery-efficient experience. Users hope for a clean design, fast performance, and stock Android feel, timely updates, better third-party app support, and power user features. A system-wide dark mode and improved gesture navigation is also anticipated, along with enhanced privacy and support for new technologies. Curious to learn more about this new OS? Check out the linked article down below. Tired of those intrusive ads on your Android device? Then discover Google's unique solution in Chrome for Android. This feature allows you to easily block intrusive ads by following a few simple steps, resulting in an ad-light and hassle-free browsing experience. Say goodbye to those pesky ads and hello to the smoother online journey. Learn how to activate it and other ways to block intrusive ads on Android by following our directions in the linked article down below. Are you curious about the real-world speed of the Google Pixel 8 Pro compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Then dive into the results of a comprehensive speed test, uncovering the performance differences between these high-speed smartphone devices. Learn why the iPhone excels in tasks like app opening and video exporting, highlighting the significance of the processing power and optimization. Explore the nuanced world of smartphone speed and capabilities, and find out which device came out on top during our tests. Exciting news! POCO's new C-series smartphone, the POCO C65, is set to launch November 5th. Early bird pricing offers a 6GB of RAM, 120GB of storage version for only $109, and the 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage for only $129. Well-confirmed specs include the MediaTek Yellow G85 chipset and 15-megapixel main camera. Other details like display, battery, and charging capabilities are yet to be confirmed. Speculation suggests it might resemble the Redmi 13C, offering a 90Hz refresh rate and a 5000 mAh battery. Don't miss out on the full scoop on the linked article down below. Can you tell if the emails in your Gmail account have already been read? Gmail's hidden feature, Read Receipts, can be enabled with a few simple steps. If Gmail's built-in feature doesn't meet your expectations, you can explore more robust methods like MoldTrack, an extension compatible with Gmail and Outlook, offering user-friendly read receipts. The article also provides tips and tricks for managing your Gmail inbox and composing emails effectively. So don't miss out on these valuable insights to enhance your Gmail experience. Vivo's 2023 developer conference unveiled BLUEOS, a cutting-edge operating system with Rust for superior security and efficiency. BLUEOS offers diverse inputs, automatic code generation, and Blue X-Link for seamless device connectivity. Vivo Watch 3 series will feature BLUEOS, ushering in a new era of smartphone technology. All that and more linked in the article down below. Get ready for a camera revolution. The OnePlus 12 is set to be the first device to feature Sony's groundbreaking LYTIA dual-layer stack sensor, offering exceptional mobile photography. With larger diodes for enhanced light capture, this innovation promises a redefined camera experience. Coupled with an LTPO OLED display and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the OnePlus 12 is on the verge of setting new standards in the smartphone industry. Discover that and much more in the linked article down below. That's us. You're all up to speed on the latest tech news from GizChina. Has anything grabbed your attention? If so, then don't be shy. Leave your thoughts down below in the comment sections. And remember, please subscribe and check out our website for more leading tech news. I'll be back next week for another rundown of the latest tech news from GizChina. And until then, thank you.